Did you ask the price of this house from its owner? I asked, but it costs an arm and a leg. It's raining these days. Yeah, so all vegetable prices cost an arm and a leg. I can't buy this laptop. It costs an arm and a leg. So friends, welcome to my channel. As you saw, today we are going to talk about the idiom cost an arm and a leg. Do you think actually you have to cost your arm and a leg? Let's see. At the very beginning of this video, you saw these sentences. I asked, but it costs an arm and a leg. Yeah, so all vegetable prices cost an arm and a leg. I can't buy this laptop, it costs an arm and a leg. So I think you can guess the meaning now. Yes, it is very expensive. You can refer the sentences again to see how this meaning is brought. So now I think you can use this English idiom. As I mentioned in the previous videos, we use idioms in informal situations. So you can practice this in your day-to-day conversations as well. So that is all about today's video. In the next video, I'll bring a piece of cake. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications, and share with your friends so they also can join with us. Thanks again.